Today in last video I promised that I'm going to teach about castling, so here we are. So castling means the mating of king and rook. So I'll just show you an example and move this or move this. So now you don't need to basically move the pawns, okay? For example, I showed you that I'll move like this, then I move some stupid and then I move something else, and if I move like this and this, now we are free to castle. Now these pawns are like the bed and this rook is like a pillow or your teddy bear or whatever smooth thing you sleep on. Now this king is very safe, so nothing can attack the king right now. So there is a king side castling and also a queen side castling. Now let me show you about queen side castling, and again whatever move we like, and I should move from here and let's move this. And now I'm going to even explain the rules of castling, when can you castle, and many more other things. And in my next video I came up with a new topic to teach you guys, so I'll teach you for sure. And move like this. See, are you seeing? Now I'm about to do queen side castling. Now as you saw, king side castling is like we brought the king into the middle over here and the rook is also outside. But in king side castle, the pawn near the rook should be removed and the king is safe, but the rook is exposed a little bit. If you are trying to play against computers, I recommend you doing king side castling more, because queen side castling is not that great and your rook is exposed a little bit. So now I'm going to explain the rules and when can you castle. You can only castle when you hadn't moved your king, okay? Like, let me just show you an example here. And something else. Now I want to do some random move and move and random move and random move and random move. Now I want think that we are in check. Wait. Okay, and another move and no, not check like this. Think that we were in a check. Now if you move your king down up and then again move your king down, and you can't castle now. Are you seeing? There is no option to castle here, because no matter what, the king shouldn't be moved anywhere. It can't go here. Like whatever area your king is near, you shouldn't move. Okay, so it is like that. And there is also one more rule. You just saw that the king cannot be moved. In the same way, the rook should also be not moved. But thankfully you have a lucky chance. Let me just explain you of. So I'll explain you one thing now. Same like the king, I told you that we cannot move the rook. But you can also castle at the queen side. Now if you had to move one rook, no problem, because you can still castle with the second rook available. Let me show you this all with an example to you. Now let me just do some random moves. And guys, if you are wondering how I am playing here, this is analysis in light chess. In this option you can basically just play with your this is actually meant for playing with your friend, but this is also good for teaching and playing with yourself. It is also good for testing your skill. Now, if at all think my king was in some dangerous situation and I really had to move my rook, and I want to castle again, and I move my rook back, and let me do some random move. Now see, I can't castle with it. Now if I castle with the other rook available, I can still castle. Now let me show you how. And okay, as you're seeing, now I can't I castle at the king side, the rook near the king, but I can castle with the rook near the queen. So let me just do some bunch of random moves over here, and I'll just show you that I can castle near the queen side. I'm just going to stop and I'll show you when I'm. Yeah, I prepared it all. Now as you can see, I can still castle at this. Are you seeing the green border texture near the queen side rook? Now I can still castle here. So, and also, not only these rules you have to follow while you're castling. When you are in check, you cannot castle. When you are in check, you cannot castle. And when you are about to run into check, you cannot castle. Let me just show you how. And I'm going to prepare this all and show it to you. And so, with the power of editing, I'm going to stop the video, and when I am ready, I'll show you. Okay. As you are seeing, guys, I'm on check right now, and I cannot castle because I'm on check. Are you seeing? There is no green outline on the rook because I am on check. And I'm going to show you another example. Not another example. I told you that even if you are about to run into check, then also you cannot castle. So I'm going to show you that just now. And now are you seeing? I kept this bishop near b5 so that it guards the white square here. So are you seeing? I tapped on the king. There is no green outline on the rook because I'm about to run into check. And now this not only applies to the king side, this also applies to the queen side rook. No matter which side you are trying to castle, this rule applies. So guys, hope you learnt about castling, guys. This is all about castling, and I promise I'm going to make more chess content, and I see you soon, guys. Thank you guys. Watch my videos. Thank you for watching my videos. Please subscribe, like, share, and comment on this video. Your comments are really useful to us, so that if you like us to make any content that you like, we will definitely make for sure. And I also changed my channel name it into Karthik and Ananya, so don't get confused, guys. I'll meet you in another video. That's all for today, guys. Bye bye.